Hi everyone! Welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable cookies in Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings. On the left panel, click on Privacy and Security, and then select Third-Party Cookies. Here, you will see different options for managing cookies. To fully enable them, make sure Allow Third-Party Cookies is selected. This will allow websites to store and access cookies as needed, improving your browsing experience. If you only want to enable cookies for certain websites, scroll down to Sites that can always use cookies and click Add. Then enter the website URL and confirm. This option is useful if you want to allow cookies only on trusted sites while keeping them blocked elsewhere. To manage cookies for all visited websites, click on See All Site Data and Permissions. This section displays a list of websites that have stored cookies on your browser. If you want to remove cookies from a specific site, click the trash icon next to it. You can also expand each website entry to see detailed information about the stored cookies. If you are experiencing issues with cookies not working properly, first make sure Chrome is up to date. To do this, go to the About Chrome section in Settings. If an update is available, install it and restart your browser. And that's it! Now you know how to enable and manage cookies in Google Chrome.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!